Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Okay, so for today, okay, we are going to. It is not a long video. It is a quite short video. Okay, as you can see on the slide, okay, we will going to learn, okay, how universal indicator, okay, can be used to identify whether an acid or alkali is strong or weak. Okay, as you can see here, the color green, okay, which is pH value around 7. The color usually will be in green in color. Okay, while for stronger acid, okay, the color usually will be in red, while weak acids, okay, for example, like ethanoic acid, CH3COOH, the color usually will be in yellow to orange. Okay, for alkali, for strong alkali, for example, uh, like sodium hydroxide, NaOH, okay, the color will be in purple range, while weak alkali, for example, I'm not really sure example of weak alkali, okay, for example, it can be like light blue, okay. So what you need to know, okay, from this um, chart, okay, you know that the main objective of universal indicator, okay, is used to identify, okay, whether how strong or how weak of acid or alkali. It is quite different from litmus paper. Okay, litmus paper is basically to use to identify whether a certain substance is acid or alkali. But for universal indicator, we want to know whether the acid or alkali is strong or weak based on the color changes. Okay, if the color changes is more of red, orange, so we regarded the substance as a strong acid. If the color changes turn to be like orange or yellow, so we can conclude the substance it is more of a weak acid. Okay, the pH of weak acid usually between 6 to 4, I guess. Okay, while strong is between 0, 1, and 2. Okay. Okay, next, we would like to know, okay, the example of usage, okay, of acid and alkali in daily life. Okay, the first usage, okay, actually there are many applications. Okay, the synonyms for usage we can call application. Actually, there are many, okay, but I only listed several examples that are related in our daily life. Okay, for example, the first one we can use because if you are getting stung, okay, kalau kamu disengat oleh lebah. Okay, if you are stung by a bee, okay, the toxin is usually toxic, acidic. So in order to cure the toxin, okay, we can adding some calcium carbonate. Okay, calcium carbonate is a alkali. Okay, jadi dia akan neutralize lah. Neutralize maksudnya dia akan kurangkan kesakitan kamu punya kena sengat tu ya. And the second example is in your body, okay, in your stomach, okay, there is a strong acid, okay, hydrochloric acid. So the pH of hydrochloric acid in your stomach, okay, usually in a range of 2 and above. Okay, 2 dan ke atas lah, 2, 1, 1 ke 2 macam tu, okay. So the function of strong acid in your stomach, hydrochloric acid, is basically to prepare, okay. The first function is easy for you to remember, is to kill any bad bacteria and also to prepare an acidic medium. Okay, nanti kita akan masuk chapter 3. Nanti kamu akan lihatlah. Okay, dalam badan kamu kita kena ada juga asid. Okay, sebab untuk nak enzim bekerja. Okay, sebab ada enzim yang diperlukan dalam acidic condition. And the third application, okay, saya bagi contoh alkali, strong alkali, okay, sodium hydroxide, okay, a strong base ataupun alkali can dissolve grease and protein. Okay, selalunya alkali ni dia lebih banyak digunakan sebagai untuk membersih permukaan-permukaan yang kotor. Okay, unclogging drains, untuk tak nak bagi longkang tersumbat. Selalunya kita akan lebih banyak guna alkali, strong alkali. Okay. So at least you must remember these two acid and alkali. Okay, sebab hydrochloric acid ni kamu akan jumpa lagi bukan saja di tingkatan 2, dan kamu akan jumpa lagi di tingkatan 4, 5 kalau kamu ambil chemistry, dan sodium hydroxide. Okay, these two substances are very important for you to remember. Hydrochloric acid, strong acid, dan sodium hydroxide. Okay, a strong base ataupun alkali. Sangat penting untuk kamu ingat kedua-dua ni sebab kamu akan sentiasa jumpa, dan make sure you remember dia punya simbol. Okay, kalau hydrochloric acid, okay, H huruf besar, C huruf besar, dan L huruf kecil. Sodium hydroxide, okay, N huruf besar, A huruf kecil, O huruf besar, dan H huruf besar. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. You have any questions? Okay, you can message me. Okay.